Oh my god! I'm about to blow your mind with this simple step-by-step tutorial on how to circle crop a photo like this. And with the same steps, you can also crop videos like this. How crazy is that? I'll also show you how to creatively crop your photos so they look like this. We're gonna do everything in Canva and the whole process is extremely easy, but if you miss one of the steps, you might find yourself stuck at some point. So I do recommend that you watch this video until the end. And if you guys are ready for this tutorial, let's go to my computer. You're gonna go to canva.com. This is Canva's homepage, and we're gonna start by uploading the photo that we need to crop into a circle. For this, we are going to click on the upload button that we see on top of the screen, and then we are going to choose the files by clicking on this button, or we can also drop the file into this gray area. I'm gonna click on the choose files button, choose the photo that I want to upload to Canva, which is this one. Click open. Canva is going to open this pop-up window and we are going to click on use in a new design. Canva is going to open this list with a lot of document options that you can create in here, but in this case I'm going to create a custom size design. I want my document to be completely square, so I'm going to insert the same width and the same height. I'm gonna go for 1080 by 1080 pixels and then click create new design. Canva is going to open your photo in the editor, and now we are ready to crop the photo into a circle. To do this, we are going to open the menu on the left hand side that says Elements. We're gonna scroll down until we see the section that says Frames. The first frame we see is the circular frame that we're gonna use to crop our photo. You can click on the frame to bring it into your design, and then we're going to put our image inside the frame to crop it. At the moment, our frame is selected and we need to click on the photo to select the photo. Once our photo is selected, we are going to drag it inside the frame. So I'm dragging my photo, putting my mouse over the frame, and as simple as that, my photo is now cropped into a circle. And your photo is ready. Stay watching until the end because I'm also going to show you how to crop your photo into these creative shapes. Now, what do you do if you want to change the photo that is inside this frame? I'm gonna go to Uploads, because I want this time to crop another photo into a circle. What I can do is to select my frame or my circular photo and then hit the key delete. My frame is now empty and I can insert any other photo into the frame. Another way to remove the photo for you to add another photo is to select the frame. You will see that a little menu will appear on top. Click on the trash icon and then select delete image. Now your frame is empty again and you can insert another photo. There is another way without having to delete the photo, and it is simply by dragging another photo on top of the frame, and like this you have replaced the photo in the frame. Now, what about if you want to reposition your photo? I want to see more of myself in this circular crop and less of this banner. You need to click 2 times on the frame, and like this you have access to the photo and you can reposition and also adjust the size of the image. Once you are happy with your selection and the position of your photo, you're gonna click done. The cool thing about these frames is that you can not only crop photos, but you can also crop videos. Let me find a video under the Elements section. We have here the Videos section, and we can drag a video on top of the frame for Canva to crop it. So let me do the exercise with this one right here. Just need to drag my video, and as you can see, my video has now a circular shape. The original video has a landscape mode. You will see that it has this rectangular shape, but after we insert it into the frame, we have now a circular video. Now let me show you how to add or insert your photo or video inside a phone or a laptop. Let's go to the Elements section. Scroll down until you see the Frames category and click on See All. Here you will find hundreds of different frames that you can use on your designs or that you can use to simply crop a photo or a video. You have frames into the shape of phones, laptops, iPads and other devices, but if you want to find them quickly, you can type on the search bar by any of the device that you need. Let's type phone and see what do we find in here. We have 6 different frames to choose from, so I'm gonna go for the second option. And let me quickly find a laptop. We have 7 options to choose from. I'm gonna go for the first one. I'm gonna adjust the size of these 2 elements. Bring this one forward. Let's go to Uploads to drag and drop our photo inside our frames. Remember that you can double click on your photo to reposition or change the size of the image. Let me change the background of this design just to make it a little bit more aesthetic. And now I'm gonna add a new page to show you how to find these kind of frames inside Canva. Let's go to Elements. At this moment, we are still inside the Frames category, and this time I'm going to search for flowers. So let me delete laptop and type flower. Hit enter. As you can see, there are so many different shapes that we can use on our designs and really make them unique. I'm gonna use this frame right here. I'm gonna click on it to bring it inside my design. I'm gonna make this frame bigger and then insert my photo into the frame. Now let me show you how to find cool backgrounds that you can use on your designs. Go to Elements. You will see that you are inside the frames section, so we're gonna leave this area by clicking on this arrow, and then we are going to search for pattern or patterns. Gonna go for pattern, go to photos, and in here you will have a huge selection of different patterns that you can use in the background of your design or inside your frames. I'm gonna use this one, so I'm gonna click one time on the element, and then I'm gonna right click on this image to open this menu and select Replace Background. I'm really happy with this design, and now let me show you how to find these kind of frames. Let's add a new page to our design, and this time let's go to Elements, let's go to Frames, click See All, and we're gonna search for ripped paper. Look at all of these cute frames available in Canva, and the cool thing about all of these frames is that all of them are available for free. You will do the same process, you just need to bring your frame into the design and then add a video or a photo. This time I'm gonna search for puppy, hit enter, and I'm gonna go to the videos section. I'm gonna scroll down to see if I can find a cute puppy video. This one, I just need to drag the video and insert it inside the frame. This time I selected a premium video. This means a video available for Canva Pro users, and you can see that this video is a premium video because it has a little crown that says Pro on top of the thumbnail. I'm gonna add a pattern to the background of this video. Let me go again to pattern, and this time I'm going to select photos because we are still inside videos. This time I'm going for a free pattern or free image. Gonna put it in the background, and now let me increase the size of the frame. In Canva, you can also find frames with textures that will add a different touch to your images. So let's go to Elements. We're gonna open the Frames section, See All, and then we're gonna type Canva Folded Frames without any space, hit enter. Here you have this little collection of different frames. What I like about this collection of frames is that you have a variety of different shapes, but all of them will add a similar texture and folded effect to our photos, which will make our designs cohesive if we use the frames inside this collection. Let me use this shape right here. Let's go to uploads, and this time I'm going to add this photo to the frame, readjust it, and I'm going to add the same photo to the background. So let me right click, replace background. I'm gonna add transparency to the photo in the back, but also I'm going to adjust the colors or the saturation on the photo to -100, and let me do the same for the photo inside the frame. I think removing the saturation on these photos adds a little bit more of this vintage style to the design. I know that the texture and the folded effect is going into the vintage direction, so that's why I'm deciding to remove the colors on this image. Now let me show you how to find these cute frames in Canva. We're gonna go to the frames section and then we're gonna type Crayon. Hit enter. Look at this cute collection of frames. I was really happy when I found them in Canva. I think these are actually pretty unique and they have this playful style to them. So let me bring one of these frames so you can take a look, and also let me show you a different one. What I love about this collection is that you are not only cropping the photo in a creative shape, you are also adding a touch of color and texture. And let me show you something else. After you do this search, the crayon search inside frames, go back to the elements section because Canva is going to automatically show you this collection under graphics. Click see all and you will have access to these magic recommendations inside Canva. I'm gonna click again on see all to see the collection of elements that go together with this kind of frames. So if I wanted to have a very cohesive design, I just need to bring some of these elements to my design and play around with them. Now, how do we download this photo from Canva? We have two different ways. The first one that I'm going to show you is completely free, and the second one is available for Canva Pro users. Let's start with the first option. We're gonna go to share on top of the screen. We're gonna click on this button. Then we're gonna search for the option that says download. We're gonna select the file type, so in this case you are going to select either JPEG or PNG. In this project in particular I have 6 different pages because we created so many different variations today, but I only want to download page number 6. So I'm going all the way up and click on this icon to deselect all the pages. Now I'm going down and select only page number 6. I'm gonna click done and then I'm going to download. As you can see, I have downloaded the photo completely free. It doesn't have any watermark, but it doesn't have a transparent background. We have the same white background as we saw it inside the editor. Now let me show you how to download this photo without a background. We're gonna follow the same process. So let's go and click on share, select download. From here, we are going to select PNG. This time we are going to select transparent background. As you can see, this option has a little crown to the side. That means that this feature is available only for Canva Pro users. If you have a Canva free account and would love to try this feature out, I left a 45-day free trial of Canva Pro in the description. These are 15 days more than what Canva offers on their website. After you have selected transparent background, you would like to select select the page that you want to download. So I'm going for page number 6, click done, and then download. And here you have the photo without the background. Remember that this one was downloaded with Canva Pro and this one with the free version of Canva. If you're going to download a video from Canva, unfortunately you cannot download it with a transparent background as of today. Hopefully in the future Canva will make it available, so I do recommend that you add a fun color or an interesting pattern to the background and then download the video. Let me show you quickly how to do this. You're gonna go again to share, hit download. You're gonna leave the file type as MP4 video. If you have different pages, you are going to select the page or the pages that you want to have in your video. Click done. As you can see, when you select MP4 video, you don't have the option to select transparent background. Hopefully just for now. After you have all of these settings ready, you're gonna click download. Now that you know how to crop your photo into so many different shapes, are you going to crop your photo into a circle or a creative shape? If you want to learn more tricks like the one that you learned today, you are going to love this video right here. Also, if you want to enjoy of the 45-day free trial of Canva Pro, you can click on this link that I'm leaving on the screen, or you can find the link in the description of this video as well. Well, I think this is it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed and learned something new with this video, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!